Guys, welcome to another lecture in the Prosthodontics series. This is our lecture 6. So some of the topics I'll be covering are just a recap, but I really want to reiterate on what's very important and highly tested in boards. And then I'm also going to be covering some of the topics which I wasn't able to cover in the previous lectures. So we'll cover fixed prost, complete dentures, combination syndrome, acrylic dentures, centric relation, Christiansen's phenomenon, and sounds. So let's begin. So for fixed prosthodontics, the thing which we should know, the FPD, which is fixed partial denture, the long axis is the one that determines the parallelism of the abutment. Meaning on the long axis of your prep, that's going to determine the parallelism. And it's not that important when it comes to one single crown, but it holds in significant